Welcome to Comprehensive English Notes. This question is from BBS second year Business Communication. Question: how can you make your business communication effective? Explain with concrete examples. A communication is effective when its desired purpose is fulfilled. For that, a sender has to understand the process involved. To make business communication effective, a sender must include these qualities in his or her message: A. Clarity, B. Completeness, C. Conciseness, D. Concreteness, E. Correctness, F. Consideration, and G. Courtesy. A message should not be ambiguous. To increase the accuracy of a message, a communicator must use precise, familiar, and easy words, construct effective sentences and paragraphs, and make them easily readable. Visual aids such as illustrations or graphics also help to enhance clarity. A message should be complete with all necessary information. It means a message should have facts and no information should be missing. For example, if you are writing a recipe for cooking something, even a single step missing will affect your desired dish. Most people nowadays have no time for reading long documents. Therefore, conciseness is another quality of an effective communication. It includes only relevant facts, no repetition, wordiness, awkwardness, and redundancies occur. Concreteness is another quality of an effective communication. A message is concrete when it is specific, definite, and vivid with relevant details. Correctness in spelling, data, facts, figures, sentence structure, and other language styles, tone of voice or body language, timing of message improves the effectiveness of message. Political correctness involves using non-discretionary expressions regarding gender, race, ethnicities, organizational hierarchies, etc. Correctness concerns with being formal or informal as required in a given context. Similarly, quoting people accurately, citing proper sources, and giving due credit to people for their roles in a given issue are also the acts of maintaining correctness. A sender should also be thoughtful and concerned to the audience. It is putting yourself in your audience's shoes and empathizing with them. It is also being respectful of the audience. Being courteous involves showing respect and concern for the receiver, being polite, sincere, and thankful to others in communication. Courtesy is also about omitting irritating expressions, apologizing for mistake, verbal or non-verbal in tone or gestures, help to win new friends. Courtesy, which is another essential component of effective communication, is a tact, a way to avoid annoying or hurtful expressions. It is the ability to say thank you or sorry to the audience when situations demand civility. Thank you everyone for watching this video.